intro, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super fun again because I am back with one more haul video for you guys. You guys seem to love my shopping haul videos and I love haul videos too, because just because you love my videos I get to shop more and that's like fun for me. So today I'm trying a new brand which is Bewakoof. So I have two packets right here with me. It's a very small haul. मैंने ज़्यादा ऑर्डर नहीं किया because मुझे इतनी वैरायटी भी नहीं मिली and like there was variety but it wasn't affordable. 800 से आप ऊपर जाओ then only you can find some good pieces. And I saw कि वहाँ पे graphic boyfriend tees like casual tees ही सबसे ज़्यादा थे. There was nothing like fancy tops or like anything like that. So I just shopped like 4 basic tee and 1 shirt. So that's what you are going to see in this haul video. And in this haul video I have also shopped from men's side as well, because men's clothes are just fun, super comfortable, baggy and looks bomb with the current trend that's going on. So यहाँ पे boys को भी like ये वीडियो में काफ़ी कुछ मिल जाने वाला है अच्छा अपने लिए. So it's going to be unisex, so दोनों पहन सकते, दोनों enjoy कर सकते. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So Bewakoof is the name of the brand and I have heard of this brand like since few years back. So नया brand तो बिल्कुल नहीं है ये. So that's one thing I wanted to mention, that don't expect a lot. Yes, the graphic tees, boyfriend tees, the fit and everything is really good. If you want like baggy clothes, you can surely try these places. They also like sell socks, diaries, mask and everything. So हाँ, वो भी एक अलग side है column उन लोग का. So I'll view the page right over here so you can see that what all they offer. So there are tees, baggy tees. There are also offer running like 50% off, buy 2 get 1 and like many more. So like according to you, you can like keep on checking their page and maybe some good deals you can get on it. So I shopped from Bewakoof the 4 tees right here. So the first tee is, so this is the first tee right over here. It's like tie and dye sort of like print, this kind of detailing going on over here. And यहाँ पे globe बना है, लिखा है future generation global citizen. So this is the front of the tee and it's basic and this is L size. I generally wear M, so I thought L मंगाती थोड़ा loose अच्छा रहे. But this is literally XL, double XL. It's like so huge. मेरे वैसा रखा है तो मेरे को लग रहा है कि मैंने कपड़े को नहीं, कपड़े ने मुझे पहना है. So that's the vibe over here. So better check the chart over there and you can see what size works for you. मेरे जैसे बेवकूफ़ी मत करना बेवकूफ़ से, वरना ऐसा कुछ आपको इतना बड़ा सा टी मिलेगा. एंड बैक पे कुछ ऐसा प्रिंट बना है लाइक जो आगे यहाँ पे छोटा सा बना था, सेम थिंग दे हैव गिवन इन द बैक बट इट्स लाइक ह्यूज. So I like this tee and I like tees which are like basic but कुछ quirky सा print उस पे बना हो या बैक कुछ attractive सा हो. So it's good for like pictures and everything and you can like style it up amazingly. So this was the tee, black. I had to get it. There were no color option in this or I would have went for anything else. So this tee I got for rupees 350. So this was the price of the tee and I guess it was 329 something and then I paid shipping as well. So that you have to keep in mind that they do take 50-100 rupees shipping charges according to your pin code. So that was the amount I paid for shipping. So जो next 3 tees है, that I have shopped from the men's section because I really found their designs more like cool than ours, which is unusual. So I literally thought that I should buy from that side only so that my male audience, you guys can also like enjoy and shop these tees over here and you also get to see something on my channel. So this way I can like include both the categories over here. So female का मैंने एक ही लिया वहाँ से, मतलब वो column से. Next 3 tees जो भी रहेंगे that is going to be from the men's section which my girls can also enjoy, so don't worry. So these are the 3 teas I shop. I know, right? काफी कुछ color and interesting prints दिखाई दे रही है. So the very first is this tea right over here. I loved the color, this parrot green, and ये जो neons है ऐसे मतलब dual like print चल रही है, vertical stripe thing. It's really good, and just because of the color I got this. It's again from the men's section, but girls can easily put this on like a baggy pants and एक side से in करके it will look so bomb and so like street style outfit. So I really liked it. It's also the material is really soft and good. Again basic like round neck, just the color and the pattern which is going on, it's really eye catching for me. So this was the next tea. So the next tea is this tea. Oh my god, can we just take a moment to this tea? It's so good. I mean, I love this tea right over here, this lemon yellow with lavender, and the color block details which they have given. It's like so eye catching, and back side is like lime yellow with lavender sleeves, and आगे ये कुछ ऐसे दिख रहा है. So it's like really good. I quite love it. Again the style in every like tea is like basic, round neck है, baggy सा fit है, and इसका L size मुझे इतना बड़ा नहीं लग रहा जितना मेरा L size था like from the women's section. So like if you're ordering from the men's section, girls like keep sizes in mind, and even guys. So एक बार cross check कर लेना कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा ही बड़ा ना आ जाए. Now talking about the brand, the delivery was made within a week to me, not bad at all. And they also have like different options, COD है, Paytm, GPay है, debit cards वगैरह. So you get a wide option for the payment as well. And the return policies, I don't know, because I don't think I'm going to return any of it. If I do, I will like give the details in the description, or you can follow me on my Instagram. There I'll give you guys an update. I every now and then put stories about the products and everything that I use and update it to you guys, so you can surely follow me on my Instagram. There are some very crazy things going on over here which I'm sure you don't want to miss, because the content I post on Instagram versus YouTube, it's totally different. So you guys should subscribe to my channel, guys. Come on, subscribe to my channel, share this video. अगर यहाँ तक अभी तक आपको कुछ भी पसंद आया, do like, comment down which brand should I try next. I want कि आप नए नए brands मुझे like लिख के दो, so I can also try it for you guys. जैसे बेवकूफ है, it's like very different brand. It's not like our usual brands which we shop from. So let me know everything, guys, and stay tuned till the end. शायद कुछ अच्छा आपको मिल जाए. And after that is this shirt. This shirt is so beachy, so floral. I literally want to like fly to Maldives or Hawaii just to wear this tee. It's so like giving me like romantic vibes and all. Such beautiful feather print going on over here, pink and like baby pink print is over here, and the feathers also have like texture, एक color का नहीं है. So that's really beautiful. Like layering shirts, I really love it because it like elevates the look, and it looks like effortlessly beautiful street style chic look. So this is the shirt that I got. It's from men's section, and it is so dope. And you can find like other shirts I didn't like much, but this I like totally got an eye on. So yeah guys, short and simple haul video था, ज़्यादा कुछ मैंने order नहीं किया. It was just 4 products right there. So comment down which was your favorite product, any other brands that you want me to try, and I hope you like this haul video. Every Wednesday you will get a brand new video. So till then, subscribe, notification bell टंग पुश कर दो ताकि नेक्स्ट वीक जब वीडियो आएगी तब आप लोगों तक पहले पहुंचे. Follow me on my Instagram. Love yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.